Alright guys, so today's video, like I said on the last one, is going to be the tow wiring harness for the 2015 and 2017 Kia Sedona. So, with that being said, let's look at the product that I bought that's supposed to be for the Kia Sedona. So like OEM. So let's check that out. Alright guys, so this is the one that I bought, and that is the brand T Kenosha, and the part number is 118269. So this is the trailer wiring kit. Okay, so let's take this out. So I want to say this is like the little power pack. Here are the two connections, so pretty easy. And it comes with a little fuse, so it doesn't fry any of our existing fuses in our vehicle. So that's pretty good. Comes with some hardware, some zip ties, and some more zip ties, and go inside.
You said no?
So that's what it looks like. So this is the towing wiring harness for the 2015 Kia Sedona. So now let's install it into the vehicle. Alright guys, so like on the last video, I took off that cover because I was installing the trailer tow hitch. So now the wiring, so the wiring harness is going to be on the rear side of the driver's side. So you'll have these two connectors right here. So what you'll do is you'll unplug them. I already took them off. So you'll grab your finger, pinch it down right here, and just pull on it. And with this one, it's a little tricky. It's on the back side, and you'll just push down and pull it. So just like that. Push down and pull it. So with those two wires, those are the ones that you'll be plugging in for the wiring harness. So let me do that. Alright guys, so once you guys have those connected, then your power pack, I will want to zip tie it somewhere high up where water wouldn't be able to get to it. I know it has a self-tapping screw in the kit, but I really don't want to tap it into anywhere else. I don't want to tap it into anything. So let me just look around and then see where I'm gonna zip tie this to. You guys should go about this however you guys really want. So you guys can mount, you guys can mount that power pack anywhere you guys want. I believe, and also I believe every trailer harness will have that power pack. So you guys will want to put it somewhere, zip tie it pretty high. I didn't put mine here. I'm actually hiding mine right behind this little cover back there. You guys can't really see it, but it's she's down there, and I zip tied her, so it's right underneath that black cover of the bumper. So I have it hidden. So the reason why I say it doesn't really matter where you want it, because this part, don't forget, this part will be covered up with that plastic. So you guys can have that power pack mounted up here, underneath here, underneath here. It doesn't matter. That is up to you. That is your preference. You guys just want to zip tie it somewhere high where you know water won't get into it, or try to at least not get water into it. So I have mine hidden up here. I hope I did a good job of where water won't go through. I hope so. If not, then I'll be buying a new one. But yeah, so I have that mounted. I have that router going this way underneath here. And then I have the connector. Oh, let me get out of here. Then I have a connector routed out right here. So that's it, guys. Of course, you guys will get your wire cutters and cut that off, make it look nice and neat. But that's how I have mine mounted. And my wife's calling me on the camera, and I can hear her. But so let me clean this up and then show you how it looks like afterwards. God, focus. Wow. So I kind of lied to you guys. So, like I said on the video, those connectors, and if you mount that that power pack on the side, you guys should be fine because of that little side cover. Well, I forgot that once you put on that trailer hitch, you can't put on that side panel, but you can in a way. So this is what I did. So right there where it mounts up, so you guys can see that little piece right there that is in the way of this cover. So I got my Dremel, I kind of outlined it out, measured it out, you know, and I got that cover because I'm kind of like a perfectionist in a way. Well, that's what my wife tells me, but I like to have things nice and clean and proper. So I cut out that outline, and I'm gonna mount this back up, and then that's how you guys should be able to put that cover back on. So let me do that real quick before I go to the store with my wife. Alright guys, and that's how I have it cut it up. So I cut it right where this little part, whatever you want to call it, hangs down, and I have it all bolted up again. So I cut maybe about not that much, but I cut from that little bolt to that side one right there. Why does it keep doing that? So from that bolt right there to the left to that right side on the bolt right there, I cut about that much. So I mean, that's fine. Have it all back there bolted up. So yep, I like it. So now, like I said, you guys can put that power pack up inside and zip tie it. So yeah. And then you guys.
What happened? Tell me, baby. Tell me what you doing. Go, explain.
Explain what?
It looks so nice.
Okay. So you guys haven't seen. Can you stop?
You guys haven't seen it. Daddy don't want me bugging him. Okay.
Bye, Mama.
Bye.
You gonna help me out? Okay, let's tell YouTube. So, alright guys, so the wiring is done. If you guys haven't seen it, well, I mean, you guys probably seen it, but I have that tucked up right there, going from underneath. I have it zip tied. I have it zip tied again, right underneath there. So just in case, I mean, I didn't tighten it all the way up, just in case I need more wire. So whenever I need to pull this, so I left it kind of loose. I put all these clips back on, so you guys seen the connections. It's all good. So you guys seen the connections of how I put it together, the two clips, the power pack, and it still looks blurry.
Hola.
Alright, so that is going to end today's video on doing the 2015 to 2017 Kia Sedona wiring harness for a trailer. So, and for that part, guys, I only spent about 40 bucks on Amazon. So, I mean, you guys could do it. If I could do it, like I said, you guys could do it. Like I said, if you guys haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button and hit that bell notification so you guys are notified of when I post out new videos. And like I said, I hope this video was helpful. And I keep looking to my side because I keep looking to see my wife is right there looking at me, embarrassing me. So on that note, peace out.